Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Doge shows some upside today. I haven't covered Doge for a while, but really nothing changed in the analysis. But now we finally start to see some follow through, and the market has reacted again to the support area on our long-term chart here for Doge. And we could indeed be in the fifth wave of a leading diagonal in wave one of C of a larger third wave. I mean, this is a pretty messy chart from the low in 22, but we had a three-wave move, which I'm labeling as wave one. It's an ABC in wave one. We have a wave two. There are different ways of interpreting, you can interpret that in different ways, but that's sort of my idea. Then we have an A wave of wave three, which topped in March 24. We had a B wave in wave three, which bottomed possibly in August. And it could be the case that we now started the C wave to the upside towards possibly 30 cents next. To confirm that further, I would really like to see one more high. That would give us some more clarity. And I will explain on the smaller time frame why. But overall, looking at the bigger picture, if this really is now a C wave to the upside, then we would like to see that C wave reach roughly at least the 100% Fibonacci extension. Here we would talk about around 34 cents. That's the 100% extension. Very, very important target for a C wave within, in this case, a third wave. Then afterwards, a wave 4 would be ideal, and a wave 5, possibly even higher than to maybe 50, 60 cents, but we're not there yet, That would have to be an all-time high, actually, if this really is a larger degree fifth wave that's unfolding. So we will see. We will see how this is exactly going to subdivide. What I can tell you is that this is a pretty messy structure. So it's not like a done deal. It's not impulsive to the upside at this stage. We see a lot of messy subwave structures, but still we take it level by level. It's not like I can't promise you we go to $1 or higher, but I can tell you that, we had a support area where we've been watching for reaction. That reaction is happening. Now let's see if the market can form a first 5-wave move up. If yes, I can give you the next support area. And this could be then the next long trade opportunity. So this is the 1 hour chart, or 4 hour actually, but it shows you the detail. We had this reaction to the August low in what I believe is a wave 1 and a wave 2. Then, is this the wave 3? Maybe. It only reached the 1.236 extension. So it's a bit weak for a third wave, but the fourth wave was also very deep, and this, I would interpret this how it's still valid. Okay, it's still valid. It's just not ideal, but sometimes the market takes the not very ideal route. It just means the third would have ideally pushed a little higher, and the fourth would ideally not have gone down that much, but it's still all possible, right? It's a valid scenario. Essentially, we want to see a 5-wave move up. That means the fifth wave, which could be underway now, might have started here at this October low, should reach 1 or 2 levels higher than the third wave. So I'm looking for 13.8 to 14.9 cents. So if all 5 waves complete here, then this would be circle 1. And I'm going to watch for circle 2 next. Then, so that, just because we get a 5-wave move up, and I love to say that all the time, it's just my favorite saying, just because we get a 5-wave move up doesn't mean a correction has to start. We will need to see some kind of a break of micro support or anything, right? But something like that. But at the moment we are watching, can the market get to those levels? Okay, maybe even a bit higher. That would be even better. But let's see if we can form that fifth wave. Then once we then see exhaustion and once we see a pullback, we can add a support area for wave 2 to the chart. Until then, this main support area remains relevant. Okay, so 5-wave move up is the first indication really that we are moving up. Well, it's not the first indication, it's the first confirmation, because this wave B could have bottomed. We already have our 1-2 set up, but it needs the next larger 5-wave move for more clarity. And we might be working on that right now. So I'll keep you updated about that. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.